Robert Heffernan, EndoTech, exclusively for the Pareto Network and EndoTech subscribers. This is Blockchain Vitals. It's our daily show talking cryptocurrencies, blockchain assets. I am a master endotechnician, firmly in the matrix, trading cryptos. Not the complete meltdown that was anticipated here. Again, maybe we have something developing here that I talked about yesterday. And that the first move, the first direction out of the congestion is the head fake. Now, we definitely put in a lower low and a lower high in Bitcoin today. But when we take the vitals, let's look at those important levels in that segment, and we're going to see. But first of all, let's do the rounds. Doing the rounds, we do it every day. My chance to talk cryptography. And in the news, a couple of headlines that I enjoyed and articles that I read today. One was how much the U.S. government is involved in cryptographic discovery. For sure, looking to grab great minds in cryptography. For any number of things that the government needs to do to make it leaner, meaner, more efficient, more equitable, and safer, too, from prying eyes. So I thought that was pretty interesting. I hadn't really thought about that or heard about how much involved the U.S. government is in cryptography. Another news flash, crypto giant Coinbase worth $8 billion market cap for Coinbase. A giant number. And I know I've covered this before because they've announced it before, but they're talking of soon they will be listing hundreds of tokens, and in the not too distant future, thousands of tokens will be available at Coinbase to trade. I think that there's going to be a real shakeout here amongst wallet companies and exchanges. And believe me, that the fee structures are going to have to change at a lot of these places. The question is can they do the volume with lower and lower fees? And can they keep market share? And then once you get Fidelity involved and ICE, New York Stock Exchange involved, it could be a very tumbleweed-looking environment for crypto exchanges. If they do not find a way to lower fees, make their interfaces more trader-friendly, I just see that the people that have been involved in trading for a century now, and electronic trading, lots of them for 30, 40 years, moving towards, not totally electronic, but moving towards that, messaging, all these things in the fiat world, and then cost of execution, incredibly cheaper than what you see in a typical crypto exchange, and some of the wallet companies even more ridiculous on the fee structure. So we'll see how this all shakes out, but Coinbase situated incredibly well with their pocketbooks. First of all, $8 billion worth. They just raised $300 million. Looking to do $1.3 billion in revenue in 2018 and $456 million in profit for 2018. That's a whole lot of deep pockets to build out world-class messaging, price discovery, trading, front end, back end, the whole 9 yards. And it'll be interesting to see how long these other places can survive if somebody can come in and dominate like Coinbase looks like it's set up to do. Anyway, let's talk about the price action because that's what we're doing here. We're here to trade, right? We're here to trade. So let's take the vitals. Taking the vitals, we do it every day. It's that snapshot. Right back to incredibly small range. mean, look at that value range in Bitcoin, 63.26 to 48, a $22 value range, untradeable from a value range trading perspective. But right now, trading 63.34 on Bitfinex, 63.34, and I'm eyeing that lower momentum level at 64.79 now. A close out of lower momentum would make me reasonably sure that I want to get involved in Bitcoin. I'll pay attention to the crosses because there are some better stories out there that I'm going to get to in a second here. Ethereum trading 195.50, looking at that lower momentum level at 202 as an area for me. If we can close back above, maybe we get a screaming rally here. Just incredibly quiet for the breakout of this congestion and zero follow through. Now maybe we get the follow through today. I don't know, but right now it's all quiet on the crypto front. Just nothing really going on price action wise. So you sit and wait. Nothing wrong with sitting on your hands. Back in the day, you'd have your trading cards ready to go. You're ready to buy and sell, and there's no bids or offers or no order flow in the pit. So you just go like this. Put the cards away. There's nothing to play. And that's not a problem, man. That is not a problem. Markets ebb and flow, and volatility ebbs and flows. And so if there's nothing to trade, don't trade. Wait for the story to evolve until there's a better trade setup for you to be involved in. It's pretty simple. Bitcoin Cash, 423.60 last. Again, I'm eyeballing all of these lower momentum levels, and we can go all the way down the line here. And none of them out of, well, some of them are, but EOS, 515, that's lower mode, 537. XLM, 2212, lower mode, 2345. Litecoin, 4890, lower mode 5187. ADA trading 07 even, lower mode 0735. We can go on down, and I'm pretty sure there's nobody that's telling a great story yet. XMR 103 48, lower mode 104.85. TRX 0222. 0233, they're fairly close. Dash 154.16 is the mo. It's trading 154.94. There we go. Ding, 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 ding. Dash out of lower momentum. All right, out of lower momentum. Dash is one. The other one I want to talk about that's not here on the sheet is REP, Augur. I know a lot of you subscribers are queued in to Kraken, where REP is available for trade. Right now, REP trading 14.55. REP is actually in up momentum, all right? In up momentum. That number comes in at 14.25. Room today out to 15.74. And REP, 15.84 is the weekly average. On strength, up momentum, 19.05. So there are some stories out there that are a little healthier than others. And, I got scared out of REP because of the setup from yesterday, but I jumped right back in today. I am long REP because for me, it is the best, one of the only setups out there on Kraken where you have a coin that's actually in up mo on the daily versus just trying to scratch out of lower momentum. All right, we got a short one here today because it's quiet. So mind the mo, right? Mind the mo. Pay attention to these lower momentum levels. If you're a holder, you want to see these coins all trade and close out of lower momentum. And maybe this beginning of the week was a head fake, and we can tell a story about some explosive up price action. But be patient with it, all right? Be patient with it. You will never miss a giant move. Believe me, the momentum will tell you the story, and you're not going to miss it, all right? You might get in worse than you wanted to, but there's nothing wrong with being patient and waiting for the story to evolve until a better story is there for you to trade upon. You guys have a great day. We will see you tomorrow for Blockchain Vitals. Until then, stay disciplined and trade disciplines.